Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk Channel, the place where small words make a big difference. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. I am lost. I'm confused. Honestly, I used to think grammar was easy, but now I'm not so sure.
Used to think? Wow, Rahul, you remembered the grammar from our last video.
Yes, I am used to learning new things now. See? I practiced.
That is fantastic. You mastered used to. But why do you look so confused today?
Because of these tiny words, in, on, at. I said I am in the bus, and my friend laughed. I said see you in Monday, and he laughed again. I used to be confident, but now I'm just lost.
Don't worry, prepositions are the hardest part of English. But today, we're going to fix this forever using a secret weapon, the triangle.
A triangle? Like geometry?
Yes, imagine an upside-down triangle, a funnel. Top, wide, is in. Middle, medium, is on. Bottom, pointy, is at.
Okay, in is big or general, on is medium specific, at is tiny, very specific.
Exactly. Let's start with time. Look at the top of the triangle, the widest part, in. We use in for big periods of time.
Like centuries?
Yes, centuries, decades, years, seasons, and months. In the 90s, in 2025, in summer, in July.
Okay, big chunks of time is in. I was born in 1995.
Perfect. Now let's go down the triangle. It gets smaller. On. We use on for days and dates.
Days like Monday.
Yes. On Monday, on my birthday, on Christmas Day, on July 4th.
Wait, you said in July before, but now on July 4th.
Yes, because July is a month, big is in, but July 4th is a specific day, medium is on.
Ah. In January, the whole month, on January 1st, the specific day.
Exactly. Now the bottom of the triangle, the sharp point, at. We use at for precise times.
Clock time.
Yes, at 5 p.m., at noon, at the moment.
Okay, let me review time. In, big, years, months, in 2025, on, medium, days, dates, on Friday, at, small, clock time, at 7 a.m.
You nailed it. Now let's use the same triangle for place. It works the same way.
In is for big places?
Yes, cities, countries, enclosed spaces. In India, in New York, in the kitchen, inside the room.
Okay, in Paris, in my room.
Now on, medium specificity, streets and surfaces.
Streets? In on Main Street?
Correct, and surfaces. The book is on the table. The picture is on the wall.
Okay, in Paris, city, on Oxford Street, street.
Now at, the exact point, an exact address or location.
Like a house number.
Yes, I live at 25 Main Street.
Ah, on Main Street, General Street, at 25 Main Street, exact house.
Also for specific locations, at the station, at work, at the party.
But Emma, what about the bus? You said I made a mistake. Is it in the bus or on the bus?
This is a special rule. If you can stand up and walk inside the vehicle, you use on.
Wait, bus, therefore I can walk, therefore on the bus. Plane, I can walk, therefore on the plane. Train, I can walk, therefore on the train.
Exactly. But if you must sit down to get inside, you use in.
Car, I have to sit, therefore in the car. Taxi, I have to sit, therefore in the taxi.
Brilliant, right?
That is amazing. So I used to say in the bus, but now I know it's on the bus.
Look at you connecting the lessons.
Okay, Triangle Master, test me.
Okay, 1. The meeting is blank Tuesday.
Tuesday is a day on.
2. My birthday is blank October.
October is a month in.
3. The party is blank 9 p.m.
Clock time at.
4. I live blank 123 Apple Road.
Exact address at.
You are a preposition wizard.
Let's sum it up before I get lost again.
Let's break it down.
1. The review. Remember used to from the last video. I used to be confused, but now I know.
2. The triangle. In, top, big, on, middle, medium, at, bottom, small.
3. Time. In, years, months, in 2025. On, days, dates, on Friday.
At, clock time.
4. Place. In, cities, countries, in Sandio. On, streets, surfaces, at, exact address.
5. Transport. Walk, on, bus, train, sit, in, car, taxi.
And we are finishing the video at the perfect time.
Please subscribe in 2026. Bye, everyone.
Bye.